I'm Natalie and Holborow. I'm a writer from Swansea. So I've got 3 poetry collections. So those And Suddenly You Find Yourself, which was released in 2017 by Parthian Books. That was launched at Calcutta Book Festival. I've got my second collection, Small, was released in 2020, and I've just released my 3rd poetry collection, Little Universe, again by Parthian. At the moment, I'm branching out into non-fiction. So one of my biggest passions is running, and I'm currently working on a project with Seren Books where I'm writing about 12 different locations in southeast Wales and doing a chapter and a little bit of a guidebook to get people familiar with the place and enjoy the places that I love so much. So the chapter I'm working on at the moment is actually Oxwich, where we are now. So this poem's called Running. It's set here in Oxwich, where today we're blessed with some fantastically Welsh weather. And when I was asked to write this poem for Modron, I thought about what connects me with nature most and what connects me with writing, and for me that's running. Oxwich is a really special place for me to run. You've got so many different landscapes here. It's one of these places where I feel really lucky to live close by, but at the same time there are aspects of it that make me quite sad, because you notice the litter around, you notice where people have arrived here and not respected the place, and that's kind of what I wanted to write about, how we shouldn't be taking places as special as this for granted. The runner. I don't know what it means to love something that won't last, but it feels urgent, like sprinting through rising water, like each time is the last time I'll ever see the tide slop in. Or maybe it's like going to a party after everyone's gone, the cans crushed, bins tipped to one side, shoreline tainted. I could be thinking about the old stream meeting Oxwich, mapping the easiest route to slither towards the sea. Stare hard enough, and I'll see the bright umbrellas of jellyfish wink at the edge, the kestrel hanging still, nailed in the forest's throat. How long will these cliffs overlap themselves like poorly assembled shelves? I'm thinking of gullets crackling with wrappers. I'm thinking of feathers sluggish with oil, ice shelves the size of small cities shearing off. The way heather holds on stubbornly, as though it knows what's coming. I reach the gate and turn like a creature approaching the edge of its tank. A crab wrestles in his shingle pit. I keep sprinting forward, pumping the earth's chest as though I can keep it breathing, my hair whipped in its exhale, pumping its heart with my heel.